Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to explore with ChatGPT and football betting. So basically, we're going to see if ChatGPT can make predictions about football betting. My guess is that I would never use this ever for betting because the data has a cutoff date, so it doesn't have the most up-to-date information, at least with this version of ChatGPT. So this is just for educational purposes. Use at your own risk, because there are risks, and gambling's bad. So, but we're gonna explore passing yards and see if ChatGPT can make a few predictions. So let's get right into it. So I have my ChatGPT window open here, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna say, who was the best, or who is the best quarter in the NFL? And you can have little typos in there. Usually understands it. It's a matter of personal opinion. Okay, Patrick Mahomes. That's a name. Okay. So, how many passing yards has Patrick Mahomes had per year? Broken down by year. I'll give you a breakdown of Patrick Mahomes' passing yards per year in the NFL. 2008, 2019, 2020, 2021. Okay. It's worth noting that Mahomes did not play all games into the 2021 season. Okay. All right. So divide each of those passing yards by number of games played, because I don't care about passing yards. I care about passing yards per game. So 316 yards per game, 318 yards per game. Okay, that's much better. So there's nothing for 2022. Okay. Now, say perform a linear regression on those yards per game figures to explain 2022. Linear regression is a statistical model used to analyze the relationship between a dependent variable and one of the more independent variables. In this case, the year. The goal of the linear regression, okay. Using the passing yards per game figures that you mentioned, it is possible to perform a linear regression and make prediction about Patrick Mahomes' passing yards per game in 2022. This is freaking fantastic. However, it should be noted that this is an estimation and that there are variables that can affect outcome of a game. So the prediction may not be accurate. It is also important to note that despite the fact that I am a large language model and I can give you information about linear regression, I'm not able to perform a regression analysis by myself. You need, oh man, so can't even do a regression analysis. Interesting. Thinking. What the heck? Why can't you perform a linear regression analysis? It's because I don't have the capability to access or manipulate data. Okay, so maybe we have to hack this a little bit. Okay, say perform a linear regression analysis on this data. 316.1, 318.6, 294, 307.2. Waiting. We'll see. We'll zoom in while we wait. Oh yeah, you know what? While we're waiting, why don't you hit that subscribe button? Okay. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs as soon as possible. So if you could hit that subscribe button, I'd find it very cool. The model is overloaded. Wow. Interesting. I apologize. Yeah, right. Yeah, you know, let's try this. Let's try this another way. Write a Python script that performs a linear regression analysis on this data. And you know, we'll do it live. If you won't do it, I'll ask you to write me a script that does it. So you really have to be a bit creative. Just the old scrap project I have here. Let's see what this gives us. No module name sklearn. So we have to go back here. Preferences. Wait for it to open. There you go. Computer's being very slow at this moment. Install this package. sklearn seems pretty cool. I might want to do some videos on that. Now installing sklearn. I'm sipping some coffee. That's good. Good coffee. Anyway, yeah. Look at all these different packages. Man, there's a lot of sklearn packages. Why is it indexing Python? Jesus. There it goes. Alright. Why are you still not working? Oh, it didn't install for whatever reason. Oh, it says it's deprecated. SCI scikit dash learn. rewrite that code using the sci kit-learn Python library. That's how easy it is. You don't even need really what ChatGPT does is it takes all the legwork. And the thing about even being a programmer is that most programmers were just Googling stuff all day anyway. The majority. Like, anybody who wasn't Googling stuff all day, like, I feel like the people, those are like old school, like legacy language people, like C++, like more of the deader, the less used languages are not Googling stuff as much because the language doesn't change as much. Alright, so it's not finding this module even though I've installed it. That's strange. But I really wanted to see no, it's doing it again. It can't. Maybe we'll do it this way. No, whoops. Do not use the sklearn library. So it's giving me an error. Well, here you go. This will do it. All right, this looks way better. The predicted passing yards for 20 per game for 2022 is 291.875. Let's see if that's true. Hold on, just 1 second. Mahoney, is that what his name? Patrick Mahomes. What was Patrick Mahomes' passing yards per game in 2022? .308 passing yards per game, and it predicted 291, so it was 18 yards off. Now, is that on? I don't know how is that normal? I don't know. Mahomes passing yard per game. Let's say